The latest trends and innovations in banana cake design. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to Blogging Good Food. I am your host, James, and today we are about to embark on a scrumptious journey into the world of banana cake design. Buckle up because we are not just talking about any banana cake, we are exploring the latest trends and innovations that are going to take your dessert game to a whole new level. Get ready to be amazed as we peel back the layers and discover the artistry behind banana cake design. I am excited and I hope you are too. Let's dive in. Who said banana cakes have to be boring? Not us. Today we are breaking all the rules and introducing you to some jaw-dropping creations. From edible flowers to exotic fruits, these banana cakes are rewriting the desert playbook. So get ready to be inspired and maybe a little hungry. Slicing through the trends, we have got some cutting edge techniques that will make your banana cake the talk of the town. Banana slices transforming into delectable cake layers, each one telling a unique story of flavor and creativity. And now, let's dive into the art of the slice. These banana cakes are not just desserts, they are edible works of art inspired by the latest memes and pop culture trends. From viral movements to internet sensations, these cakes are a feast for your eyes and your taste buds. Get ready to roll and indulge in some seriously delicious treats. Brace yourselves for a sweet surprise. These banana cakes are not just delicious on the outside, but they have got hidden delight waiting for you. From secret fillings to unexpected twists, these cakes are all about creating a memorable and interactive experience. So get ready to be wowed and, of course, to satisfy that sweet tooth. And there you have it, folks. The hottest banana cake trends to make your dessert table the star of the show. If you enjoyed this sweet adventure, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more delicious content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking and keep those ovens warm.